In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to delete all Instagram archived stories. This enhances privacy by removing old content that may contain personal information, locations, or details you no longer wish to keep. To do this, simply head to Instagram. On your profile page, tap onto these three lines to head to Settings. Now under How you use Instagram, select Archive. Tap right here to select Stories Archives. You will see all your archived stories right here. To delete them, you just have to select on any and tap onto these three dots to delete story. You will have to click on Delete to confirm. That selected story will get deleted from your archive. Now, at the time of recording this video, there's no option of selecting to delete all stories archive at once. You just have to manually delete one by one. Well, that's how easy it is to delete stories archive on Instagram. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like. Share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.